This is Mima and welcome to my vlog. Pero bago ang lahat, you know the drill, intro muna. So yan, kasama natin ngayon si Sis Mika. Ayan, so yan sa ambassadors natin here in AYS. And nakaka-inspire kasi meron kang good news sa amin, ma'am. Which is, meron siyang cheque actually ngayon. And ang nakakagulat, ang nakakatuwa, ano po ulit yung background mo?
Ayan. So, hello everyone sa lahat ng viewers, Jenny Mima. So, my name is Micaela Taupo. I am a working student and I'm doing AYS as my part-time. And actually, nag-start ako dito as an ambassadress. So,
Yes.
pasok ako dito doing a live host and nakikita ko kung gaano ko work hard and gaano ka persistent yung mga AYS newbie. So, I was inspired. And
Wow.
actually, yeah, so I was inspired. That's why pinili ko din siyang i-try. And
Parang kumbaga na-curious ka pala nung una, ma'am.
oo,
no?
na-curious talaga ako nung una. Ano ba ginagawa nila? So, yun talaga. So, parang sabi ko, why not i-try ko din? So, and ginawa ko siya as my part-time. And I was, I think, I got my result.
Yes, wow,
afterwards.
wow, wow. So right na, ma'am, ano po ba yung cheque mo? How much?
Pinakamalaking chineke ko so far, since nito lang ako nag-start guys, actually wala pang months na nag-start ako as the
Yes,
Pero weekly, I got my result 4,000 to 10,000 weekly.
Wow.
Ayan.
So as a student, malaking bagay na rin
Oo,
yun, ma'am. no?
malaking bagay na talaga siya. Kasi hindi lang siya nakakatulong sa akin personally, but it was also give me opportunity to also help my family as well.
Yes. Yun yung maganda doon. So last question, ano po yung message nyo sa ating mga viewers? Siyempre, ano po yung kumaga, message mo sa kanila?
Siguro ano lang, let's keep it short and simple. In the
Yes.
sense na if you're looking for a job or a business na magpo-provide sa inyo ng income, go for something na alam mong maglalast.
Yes.
Go for something or anything na tingin mo pang lifetime yung opportunity. And dito mo yan matatagpuan kay AYS.
Yes.
Hindi mo siya, nalala na ngayon na we are on a pioneering phase, guys. So this is the right time for you to join our community, and I guarantee you, sobrang grabe yung support system na
Yes.
binibigay dito. Hindi lang ng team, but also ang ating founders.
Yes, so well said everyone, and wala na akong idadagdag. So by the way, congratulations,
Thank you,
Ma'am
thank you.
Mika, and see you for your next check.
Yeah, see you on our
Bye!
live!